Welcome back to Wanting to Racing. Today I'll be working on Rallybug. I did some work off camera. I did the whole engine harness, connected it to the ignition switch and the fuse block. All that works. I'm going to be taking it back off the car so I can wrap the whole harness in this mesh loom material. This is the headlight harness, which I already did. And yeah, let's complete this harness so the wiring will be finished. I'm running out of time. Looks like a storm is coming, so I need to get on it. Alright guys, so I just finished up the last bit of wiring for the tack right here. Now I can pull all the harness out and wrap it in the mesh material that I got. Let me go ahead and show you that everything works as it should. So let me get started on taking the whole harness out. So good news, it looks like we evaded that storm that was coming. So I was able to keep on working on the wiring harness. I got all of it out. And I'm going to wrap it in this material and put it back in the car. So I'm going to start in the back of the harness and move forward. This is the tail light section. This is the passenger side taillight connector. And right here where it meets up with the engine harness, I'm going to use a 1/2 inch conduit on it. So I'm going to make a cut right here and then we can wrap the rest of the harness. Make some small cuts so that wires can come out of the loom easy. For all these connectors and wires that are coming out of the loom, I have a 1/4 inch mesh loom for those. I think from right here on I'm going to run the 1/4 inch. So make a cut here. Alright guys, so the GoPro decided to overheat on me, so I let that cool off, and I wrapped the entire harness and I also, with what I could, with the material left, did a little wrap job in here. So let's go ahead, put this harness back in the vehicle and call it a day. It's freaking hot out here. So I'm going to start running wiring from the rear end to the front. Actually, I'm going to slide all this through the cage. I'm just going to tie this to the cage right here. This has to go through the firewall. All of this is just going to be tied down in the cage. All the harness is going to wrap around the battery, and all the transmission is going to get the reverse switch up here so I can connect it. Alright guys, harnesses ran on the car. Everything goes where it should. All I need to do now is zip tie it to the cage so nothing moves around. And then we'll call it a day. Alright guys, it's been a long day on Rallybug, but the wiring harness is now complete. It's just one big hurdle for this car. Just got to get that hood on and have my dad help me with that. But that's it for today. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. The engine for that should be coming soon, and I'll be uncovering that project once I get more parts for it. Thank you guys. Can't fucking see what color these wires are.
Need a light?
Yeah.